Okay, one of the worst struggles can be with ear health and struggling with tinnitus and ringing in your ear. Well, have some loved ones in my family that struggle with this, and I came across this great ear health supplement. It's a German pharmaceutical-grade supplement featuring ALA and MC. Both of these things, after doing your own research, you'll find are used to help neuropathy and different things as far as antioxidants goes to help with your oxidative stress levels. There are also other great ingredients that's going to give you a really overall care plan for your ear health. It also has Boswellia, which is great for anti-inflammatory properties. After years of searching, I am so glad that I came across this product. It comes with a 60-day supply. They're talc-free, unflavored, and a really easy size to swallow.